Hey, I'm Sarah Wolf from reviewsbysarah.com.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make a United States of America flag pin. You'll need 8 1.5-inch gold safety pins and 1 silver 2-inch safety pin. You'll also need a package of red, white, and blue e-beads. First, place 4 blue beads on the safety pin. Then do a white, red, white, and red one. And close it up. Make 4 of these pins. For the next design, start with a white bead and then a red one. Alternate these on the pin. You'll have 8 beads on this pin too. Make 4 of these types of pins. Now take your larger 2-inch safety pin and open it up. Take some pliers and very carefully, and I mean carefully, open up the bottom of the safety pin a bit like this. This space allows us to slide the other pins onto it. Place the whole of the gold pins onto this silver safety pin. Do the 4 pins with the blue on it first, and then do the remaining 4 pins. Squeeze the bottom of the silver safety pin to close the gap. Just pin it to your shirt or jacket now. Please like and comment on this video.
And please push that big red subscribe button on my channel. And check out my website at reviewsbysarah.com.